Alright guys, yeah, for the late start, hand up a little cushion here, sausage with Harvey and Michael.
So, I'm not recording.
Yeah, Michael's not recording because they got fine.
So, I need to make a fact.
Shush.
I need to make a fact on Harvey's channel that I can't make on mine because my phone's been barred. So, what was going to happen in the next 2 weeks, I think, yeah. The next 2 weeks.
Hang on. Whatever it is. Is it across? Is it coming? Where is it? Is it across? Oh, wait, shut the crossing quickly. It's at the crossing. I didn't see it there. We're not going on the veg today. Don't go on the veg. There's a policeman there at the crossing.
Well, so as I was saying, in the next 2 weeks, my cousin is going to be in charge of my channel.
So,
if in a way it won't be me recording. So
I could put the crossing up. I don't know. We're doing an emergency base. Come back because they might have emergency base.
Why?
Oh, that's already coming. No, we could emergency base because over there.
I'll be a waiver.
Huh?
I'll be a waiver.
It could. No, the train can't stop now.
Why?
Because sometimes the crossing will do an emergency base to let the
Police car go.
let the
So, if you didn't hear me, what's going to happen is my cousin's going to be in charge of my channel, so it won't be me uploading. If you're watching my channel, guys, let's see if this goes bumpy.
So it is raining a bit. Is
it stopping?
No, like 3. 171.
And he's bumpy.
He waves.
Oh, yeah.
Please can't go back. I think I've seen the video.